RAC versus HVAC. Know the difference. Ever wondered what really sets a room air conditioner, RAC, apart from a full-blown HVAC system? Let's break it down in under a minute. RAC units are designed for single rooms. Think bedrooms, offices, or small living spaces. They're a quick and easy solution for localized cooling. HVAC systems, on the other hand, are built to cool entire homes or buildings. They use a network of ducts to distribute conditioned air evenly throughout multiple rooms. RAC units are relatively simple to install. Many are window-mounted or portable, requiring minimal professional help. This translates to a lower upfront cost. HVAC systems require professional installation, including ductwork and refrigerant lines. The initial investment is significantly higher, but the long-term benefits can outweigh the costs. RAC units are generally less energy efficient than modern HVAC systems. They often lack advanced features like zoning or smart controls. HVAC systems offer superior energy efficiency, especially with features like variable speed compressors and smart thermostats. Zoning allows for customized temperature control in different areas of the building. RAC units require basic maintenance, such as cleaning filters. Their lifespan is typically shorter compared to HVAC systems. HVAC systems require regular professional maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. With proper care, they can last for 15-20 years or even longer. Ready to level up your HVAC knowledge? Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tricks. Download our free HVAC troubleshooting guide in the description below to diagnose common issues and keep your systems running smoothly.